To get sharp images, you need to take photos in the best available light at the time of taking your photos. This is because we see sharpness in the details, and we see more of these details when there are contrasts between light and dark areas of the image. To get this contrast, you will need light coming from an angle into your frame. You do not want light coming from the same direction as your camera, for example. This would be flat lighting. You also do not want light coming from behind the subject. This would be called backlighting. Here is an example of side lighting that shows how this type of light will help define the details in your subject, and this will make it look a lot sharper to the human eye. You can achieve this look with natural sunlight, a flash stick, or even LED light panel. Any light source will do. It just depends on your subject and the light source available at the time. On an overcast day, it will create flat lighting. This will not help when it comes to showing off the fine details of the image, as we have already gone over previously. Here is an example of a photo that I took on an overcast day. You can see that the photo looks flat. This does not mean that it's a bad photo at all, but what it does mean that it is not super sharp. Here is a photo that I took with directional light coming from the right side of the frame. You can clearly see the contrast between the light areas and the dark areas of the subject. This reveals a lot more detail and makes the image look sharper.